Today we're going to be doing the Plasticity I lab. So the materials we're going to be needing are clay, a certain amount of clay, a scale, a bowl, and a measuring device for the clay. So the first step in our project is to measure out, well, the directions say 2 cups of clay, but in order to preserve clay, I added about a ½ cup of clay, and making sure to tare the scale after we put the bowl on it. We can see that just the clay weighs about 1.70 ounces. Now that we know the mass of the clay, if we want to figure out how much water we need to get to the water content of 15%, we can use the water content equation to calculate the mass of water required. So after using the water content equation, we have calculated that in order to get to 15% water content, 0.255 ounces of water is required, which we have tared the cup and measured out the appropriate amount of water, which now we can take and add to the clay. Upon observation, after mixing the 0.25 ounces of water into our clay, we can see that much of the clay mixture is still fine and loose, but you can see here that there's some aspects of the clay that are clumping together pretty well, and these clumps feel like a hard sort of dough, and when you press down together, they are pretty plastic, and they form to whatever shape really you want, with some brittleness, as you can see. And as it says in the instructions, when we press down on with a spoon, it's pretty sticky. It kind of sticks to the spoon, as we can see, and kind of morphs into a flat shape whenever we press it down. And so for the rest of the lab, we will be increasing the water content by 5% each time, all the way up until we get to 80% of water content. And between each 5% interval, we'll be taking notes and observations about what the mixture is like, and we will record it.